In this example, we're going to use the integral facts that we just discussed to try and find these integrals. So we're given some information about integral of f of x. We know the integral from 0 to 5, from 0 to 2, and 4 to 5. And it could be lots of different reasons why we're only given this information. And we're asked to find first the integral from 2 to 4, and then of f, and then the integral from 2 to 4 of 6 times f plus 4. So it looks like this would be almost impossible, but we actually have the facts to allow us to do this. I'm going to draw a picture. I'm not going to draw a picture of the graph and the areas because we're only given total areas. We have no idea what the graph of f of x looks like, but I am going to draw a number line to basically visualize the information we're given. So we're given that the integral from 0 to 5, we're given that entire area is 5. And then we're given that the integral from 0 to 2 is negative 3. And we're given the integral from 4 to 5, the area is 6. So, and this is hard to see, but what we are concerned with is the area from 2 to 4. So what we use is the integral fact from before, that the integral from a to b is the integral from a to c and then c to b. We're using it basically 3 times in different ways. We have the integral from 0 to 5 is the integral from 0 to 2 plus the integral from 2 to 4 plus the integral from 4 to 5. So the integral from 2 to 4 is going to be the entire thing minus, it's going to be the entire thing minus this chunk and this chunk. So this is going to be the integral from 0 to 5 of f of x dx minus the integral from 0 to 2 and minus the integral from 4 to 5. So we're taking the whole area and we're chopping off, so to speak, these two areas to get the integral from 2 to 4. And let's go back. F of x dx. So we get the whole integral is, oh, why did I say 5? I said this should be 8. Sorry. This should be 8. And let's see if I can make this look a little better. 8. Okay. So we have 8 minus negative 3 minus 6. So where did I go? The integral of the whole thing minus this area, which is negative 3. So that tells us that from 0 to 2, the graph is underneath the x-axis. And then from 4 to 5, the area was 6. So we're subtracting off those. And subtracting off this, you could think of this as taking away debt. You're actually adding to your assets. So we have 8 minus negative 3, so that would be a total of 11 minus 6. So we'd have a total of 5 for part A. Now we use that to find the integral, this integral here. And we're going to use the integral facts that this is the integral 6, the integral from 2 to 4 of 6 f of x dx plus the integral from 2 to 4 of just 4 dx. So that was that last fact. And then we're going to use that c times f of x fact. Say this is 6 times the integral from 2 to 4 of f of x dx. And we still haven't talked about what the second integral is from 2 to 4 of just 4. So using this, we're going to use the fact that we know what this value is from part A. So that's going to be 6 times 5 right? The 5 coming from here, plus 4 times the integral of times the b minus a. So that was that c times b minus a. So 4 minus 2. Again, thinking of this as height, and this for this from 2 to 4 determines the width. So the width is 2. So we get 30. Let me don't try to do too much in my head. 30 plus 4 times 2. That's a times, and so we get 38.